Not a fan of working hard but still want to earn cash? You're in luck. Discover how you can make money effortlessly by just watching videos. First up, we have Swagbucks. Simply watch and rate videos to cash out. Then there's FusionCash, paying you since the early 2000s. More active? Earn up to £20. Next, InboxDollars pays about a penny per 30 seconds of video watched. Fast payouts with a £5 minimum withdrawal. On to MyPoints. Earn for watching videos and completing simple tasks. TreasureTrooper rewards you for cash videos. Reach the group goal to maximize earnings. iRazoo pays around 2 pennies per view, featuring viral and food clips. CreationsRewards gives 1 CR plus per video and a £5 bonus for signing up. GetPaidTo converts video points into cash, earning you 3 points per video. SendEarnings pays about 1 penny per view, plus a £5 sign-up bonus for new users. Lastly, instaGC rewards 1 credit per 20 videos, with weekly bonuses. Watching videos won't make you rich, but combining it with other offers can create a steady passive income. If you have downtime at work or in traffic, why not start making cash watching videos? Want more ways to earn effortlessly? Hit that like button, subscribe, and start making money today.